any intention. So अभी group में like वर्णिका shared कि wonderful book chosen. So I thought कि हम शायद book को choose नहीं करते, वो book हमें choose करती है और सही time पर सही book हमें choose करती है. So yeah, it came at the right time because शायद मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा करता हूँ और काफ़ी चीज़ें पढ़ी इसमें and let's share. आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी पलक, मैं प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बना पाया. आई एम नॉट दैट गुड इन दैट. आई मीन जस्ट अ सेकंड. हाँ, तो आई एम नॉट दैट गुड इन मेकिंग प्रेजेंटेशंस and I love talking, so I hope we'll make this session interactive. तो एक
Yes,
बहुत
we love
अच्छी,
your style of storytelling. So we'll, yes, you don't need the
yeah,
presentation.
thank you so much, thank you so much for showing your love and support always. So this book starts with a quote, and that says that anger means that you lit a fire, one burns himself first and then he burns others, right? How many of you feel that anger bring some change in you? I mean, when you become angry, first of all tell me who all feel कि उनको गुस्सा आता है. मुझे तो सभी को आता हो यार. why I can't see it. But can you please remove me from the pin because I can't see everyone. I want to see everyone. ये कैसे होगा? हाँ ऐसे होगा. हाँ अभी बेटर. हाँ. So I hope in our life we must have shown some anger at some point of time, चाहे वो कम हो ज्यादा हो, but हमें कहीं ना कहीं गुस्सा आ जाता है. एंड एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत है कि क्रोध मूर्खता से शुरू होता है और पछतावे पर खत्म होता है. एंड वी मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस थिंग दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, especially when we get angry with our parents. Later, when we calm down, we realize that, yeah, why I talk like this to my mom, why I got angry with my father. I should not say this. I mean, everywhere I'm preaching that we should respect our parents, and I myself is fighting with my parents. This happened with me many times. So later I realized, yeah, I should not. And you know, one of my friend, she told me once, and that hit me very hard. She said, you know, once I was fighting with my father, and that became so intense. I fought with my father and I went to my office. That day, my mood was very upset because some argument it happens generally, right? मतभेद हो जाता है, like sometimes. And she said, when I came back from the office, he was no more. बहुत सारी चीजें रह गई बोलने के लिए. That Papa, I'm really very sorry. I did not want to angry, but yeah, it just happened. And she said, then after that, I promised myself with my mom that I'll never get angry because you never know वो इंसान आपके साथ कितने समय के लिए है. Maybe you'll not get the chance to say thank you, sorry. So till we are here, we should be a little more conscious. And this book has taught me so much conscious lesson, so much insightful. Very small book written by Sri Dada Bhagwan, expounded by Dada Bhagwan. And this book is, sorry Palagam, I can understand your emotion and I'm giving you a tight hug. Really very sorry for starting this book with this thing, but I want you to all feel how bad anger can be in our life. So this book is in a conversation between Dada Bhagwan, who is the writer and who is expounded, and this book actually was in Gujarati language, as per this book is saying, but they converted it in English. And a person is conversation with Dada Bhagwan, how anger comes, how we can control the anger, what anger can cause us. So I have made little notes in my notebook. So if I look down, I'm looking those notes because I did not make the presentation. थोड़ा सा मैं retreat में था, बिल्कुल time नहीं मिला यार. And किन लोगों को लगता है, honestly tell me that जो लोग गुस्से में होते हैं वो strong होते हैं. Like those who can be angry, especially in Indian society, I have seen, especially जो males होते हैं, they feel that if I'll get angry on my wife, I'll be stronger one. earlier we think like that. Yes, abhi to we all are conscious. The bibliophile family. Yes, definitely. I'm asking the wrong question at the wrong place. Yes, we all respect each other and we all love each other. But earlier we have seen this thing and experience also that especially the male people, the male, they felt that if I'll get angry, I'll be the stronger one. Because my wife is a feminine, I mean, she's a female and मैं उसको दबा सकता हूँ with my anger. But he's saying the person who is angry, who is showing the anger, he's not the strongest one, he's the weakest one. Because he's expressing his response through his anger. Because he can't deal with that person. So he has only one thing to respond, and that is his anger. And through anger, he is showing his response. That is not his strength. That shows how weak he is from inside. So if a person is getting angry with you, in general also, never feel that he is stronger, that why he is overpowering you with his anger. Feel consciously, take a pause that he must be, feeling something bad him inside and he's just venting out his anger out. And he's weak, he's not strong, he's weaker. I'm the stronger. Who is the calmer? Who is the stronger? But that person who is getting angry, he is actually weak. So instead of argument with that person, take a pause and give the healing energy to that person so he also become calm down. आगे बोलते हैं कि when we get angry, so I want this session to be getting little more interactive. So yes, Anamika, आपको गुस्सा कब आता है? Tell me. When you get angry, you can unmute. I think everyone can unmute, है ना? कोई कर सकता है? हाँ, ठीक है.
Maybe when I'm tired and my baby is troubling me, he's not listening to me.
Okay, when your baby is troubling you and when you are tired, you get angry.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Reti ma'am.
Sometimes.
अच्छा, combination
Yeah.
make you become more angry.
Yes.
Okay. When I feel helpless in a situation, I get angry. Okay. Yes, Reti ma'am. Yes, you can write also and you can unmute.
I get angry with my mom
With
when
your
she
mom.
gives too much of advice
Okay.
when it's not required.
Too much of anything is not good.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes,
So you get angry.
The advice is fast and furious.
Okay.
So I also react,
Okay. Yes, Rumit sir, आपको तो लगता नहीं गुस्सा आता भी होगा, but yes, you still can share अगर कभी आता हो तो.
हाँ, मुझे आता नहीं है वैसे मोस्टली, बट
हाँ, वही मैं बोला.
when I see unhygienic people or तो थोड़ा होता है, बट अंदर से होता है, don't express it. So हम गुस्सा आता नहीं, गुस्सा दिलाते हैं वैसे.
अच्छा. Okay, so here the author has point out few points that why people get angry. So he said that when we see different point of view, like Reti ji said कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे advice देती है and that point of view is not matching, that opinion is not matching and we don't want to catch that thing and we don't want to follow that thing and we get angry. यार मम्मी please आपको नहीं पता, I know how to do this. So we get angry. When someone accuses us being wrong, तुम्हारी गलती है, and we know that we did not do anything wrong. We were just suggesting or we were just doing simply things. But some people feel that we are doing wrong and they accuses us. Then we get angry. When we incurred some loss, we get angry. When someone said something which we haven't done, we get angry. So there are so many different points he have mentioned that we get angry, but we need awareness to break free from this weakness, because this anger is a weakness. And this weakness we can come over only through the consciousness. Right now, I'm telling you the book review of this anger book. How many of you are consciously listening me? When consciousness increases, yeah, thank you so much, Singh. So when consciousness increases, your awareness increases. You listen carefully. Today I have seen people have very less span of time of concentration. They are listening, okay, yeah, I'm listening, sir is saying something, I'm doing my work also along with. But that very short of span, the concentration is not there. And then also we feel, yaar, abhi to main sun raha tha, but I missed something. Can you share Palak, can you please share the recordings later? I'll listen again. So I know because people ask us things that book review must be good. यार can you please share the recordings? And we feel angry यार उस time क्यों नहीं सुन रहे थे? So he says that consciousness will help you to break this barrier of this pattern of weakness, and this weakness is called anger. आगे कहता है that बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया इन्होंने, बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है, एंड आई कैन रिलेट दिस थिंग. सपोज दिस इज अ ग्लास बॉटल. My house help is coming and she's cleaning the floor and somehow she break this bottle. उससे टूट गई ये बॉटल. Definitely we get angry. तुम देख के सफाई नहीं कर सकती हो, कैसे सफाई कर रही हो, तुमने बॉटल तोड़ दी, इतनी महंगी बॉटल थी. Now let's change the person. My जीजू comes and suddenly उनके पैर से ये बोतल गिर गई, टूट गई. अरे कोई बात नहीं, जीजू है हमारे, कोई नहीं, हम नई बॉटल ले लेंगे. सेम सिचुएशन, लेकिन इंसान बदल गया और हमारा एंगर जो एक हाउस हेल्प के लिए था, सेम बॉटल टूटने पर वो मेरे एक जीजू के लिए या एक घर के दामाद के लिए, सन इन लॉ के लिए वो चेंज हो जाता है. इट हैपेंस, मतलब यू ऑल कैन एक्सपीरियंस दिस थिंग, है ना. तो व्हाई दिस हैपेंस? बिकॉज इट्स नॉट द एंगर, इट्स अबाउट कि कौन सुपीरियर है. इफ अ पर्सन फील दैट इसको मैं सुना सकता हूं, देन वी कैन बी एंग्री. और लगता है कि नहीं यार इसको तो मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता बिकॉज आई नो शी विल, मतलब इफ दैट पर्सन इज सुपीरियर टू यू or you have some different image for that person, then you do not get angry with that person. So he's simply saying that the person who makes us angry is an instrument. It is the result of our own karmas. समझ रहे हो? Some people come into our life to take our test and they become the instrument to check our patience level, whether we are getting angry or not. In my life, I always feel my mama, my brother, and few of my friends are the instrument in my life. I don't know, because if you'll see the pattern of your anger, most of the time you are getting angry with same person again and again and again. You can check this. I have checked this personally because what I feel whenever I read any book, I always feel this thing, what I'm learning from this book practically. It's not just I'm reading a book, second book, third book. एक book पढ़ूंगा, चाहे एक लेसन लूं, but I try to implement that thing in my life and try to learn कि what that book is about to teach me. So I have seen this pattern that एक ही इंसान के साथ मेरा बार बार गुस्सा हो रहा है, बार बार उसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट क्यों हो रहा है, and after reading this book I come to know यार they are the instrument in my life. They are keep checking me, they are keep triggering me to test me. Now how about my conscious level becoming? Now next time they are getting angry on me, I know my conscious level now. They are getting angry because they are testing me, but this time I'll not get fail. I'll try to pass this test, and I'll not put myself and my energy into that thing of argument and become angry. So this conscious level, Sanjana ma'am, namaste. After a long time, see you. How are you? Chaliye. So when the consciousness becomes strong, definitely you become more aware, and when you become more aware, you can handle the situation which triggers you, which is testing you, and that making you more angry. तो इन्होंने बोला कि जब हमारी अवेयरनेस बढ़ जाती है और हम एंगर को कंट्रोल करना सीखते हैं, बट समटाइम्स अगेन श्रीमद् भगवत गीता ऑल्सो सेज दिस थिंग कि इफ you can control your mind, that doesn't mean you will always control it. You need to keep practicing because such situations will come again into your life and it will distract you. So करना क्या है? असंशय महाबाहो मन दुर्निग्रहम चलम अभ्यासेन तो कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. So अभ्यास and vairagya. अभ्यास means निरंतर अभ्यास, continuous practice. How much practice? स तो दीर्घकालीन सत्कार सेवितो दृढ़ भूमिश्च. जब तक आपका जो विलनेस है वो काफी स्ट्रांग नहीं हो जाती है, जब आपको पता है कि हाँ अभी आई एम दिस मच स्ट्रांग दैट नोबडी कैन शेक मी, बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस थिंग consciously. I have taken some decisions in my life. Now such situations will occur again. Now I know with my awareness how to handle such situation. So this is how your consciousness will help you to balance your mind and at the same time help you how to handle such situation when those situation or those people are triggering you to make you feel angry, right? Most of the time people feel that I am right and you are wrong. My opinion is right, your opinion is wrong, and इस argument में वो anger बढ़ जाता है. because we are feeling that I'm right, but that person is feeling the same thing. I am right. So when nobody's accepting this thing that I am wrong, definitely arguments occur, and this situation again brings that anger somehow. So acceptance is the second point. The first point is the consciousness, which will help you to bring your awareness back into the moment, and you will take the decision wisely. Second, he is saying that accept. If you feel that you have done something wrong, accept it. Because if you feel that I'm right, other person is thinking the same way, he is right. When nobody is accepting their mistake, definitely arguments become more wider, and it will definitely bring out the anger out of it instead of the calmness. So people defend most of the time. Suppose I've done something wrong, but I feel I am right. Waking up early in the morning, I feel it's wonderful. Brahma Muhurat ka time. I keep pinpointing my brother, wake up early in the morning is very good, you should wake up early. But sometimes argument happen. Why? Because his lifestyle is different. My lifestyle is different. I used to sleep at 10:30, 11 max to max. So it helps me to wake up early in the morning, and as well as I have classes in the morning. But when I'm trying to make other person feel the same thing, but his lifestyle is different, again this argument happened because we both are saying both are right. He's saying I sleep late at night because I watch my movies, I learn some skills from the those movies because he's an actor. He spent good time on watching reels. But I want to sleep on time. I follow some night ritual because I know I need to wake up early in the morning. So from my point of view, waking up early in the morning is correct. His point of view, watching those reels will help him to stay more connected at night. लेकिन हम दोनों ही अगर इस बात पर अड़े रहते हैं कि मैं ही राइट हूं तो आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है, एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स द एंगर. But one person if accept, okay, you are right, I'll not argue with you. If you want to watch your reels, keep watching whole night, I'll not disturb you. What gives it? It gives me peace now. I'm not going to correct him again. It gives me peace, and now I cannot put myself into that argument which brings the anger. Because you know what happens when you become angry with someone? You become louder. You become louder, and that noise, that loud noise between two person is increasing the gap. And this happens most of the time in the families, to the closer ones. When we become angry, we are creating the distance. The more we become angry, the more distance will be there. And at one point of time, it's very hard to come back and lessen that gap. Because that anger is not just creating that gap. That anger is also putting so many small little things between that gap that you can't refill that gap. Because एक बार जब आप उस गैप को नहीं भर पाते हो, you can't rebuild that relationship strong. इसीलिए whenever you get angry, make sure that you are becoming more conscious. It comes with the practice. और इसके अंदर उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली कि do प्रतिक्रमण. Now, what is Pratikraman? Pratikraman means apology, confess, and not to repeat what I'm doing. मुझसे कोई गलती, maybe I was not aware of that thing. By mistake मेरे से वो गलती हुई, मेरे को गुस्सा भी हुआ. But अगर मैंने same time पे प्रतिक्रमण किया, means मैंने apology कर लिया, या फिर मुझे लगा कि I'm taking this lesson and I'll not repeat this mistake again because of this mistake, this thing happened. Everyone got angry, and now I'll promise to myself that I'll not repeat this again because I don't want to face that situation again. I don't want to spoil my relationship with my family or spoil my relationship with someone with whom I'm getting angry. तो वहां पर कन्फेशन बहुत जरूरी है. वहां पर आपका अवेयरनेस के साथ ये चीज करना बहुत जरूरी है that now I aware because everyone knows about themselves. We are the best judge of ourselves. We know what we are doing, and when we know what we are doing, definitely when the situation will become calm. We should do pratikraman. Suppose somebody did something wrong to me. Definitely we get angry. But later when we want to confess, because of the ego, we feel like this, no, I don't want to go to that person and say sorry to that person, but I feel sorry for that person. It happens. Sometimes there are some relatives with whom you feel angry, but you don't have that, thing that you should go to that person and say sorry to them. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर देयर वाज अ 5 AM चैलेंज में रजत ने एक एक्टिविटी कराई थी जिसमें हमें सॉरी बोलना था. आई थिंक देयर वाज अ either you can call to that person directly or you can write a letter. But इसके अंदर बोला है कि even if you can't write a letter to that person, if you can't call to that person to say sorry, do प्रतिक्रमण inside. अपने अंदर वो चीज बोल दो, I'm really very sorry, I hurt you, though I did not want to hurt you, but because of some situation this happened, I became angry to you, I did not like your behavior, but I really apologize for hurting you, because at the end we all are souls. The divinity is you in divinity in me. Because of the circumstances, because of the situation, because of some people, we behave differently. But in a broader picture, if we'll see, we all are same. Me, Rumit sir, Gargi ji, Pramila ji, Riti ji, Anamika, Palak, we all are same. From inside, we all are same. So when we all are same, then why there's a difference? Difference is in opinion. So मैं एक हमेशा बात बोलता हूँ कि मतभेद होना चाहिए. Opinion could be different. यार मेरे हिसाब से ये ठीक है, आपके हिसाब से वो ठीक है, बट मन भेद नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, आई डोंट लाइक योर वे, यू डिड नॉट लाइक माय वे, बट वी आर स्टिल फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, यू गो योर वे, आई गो माय वे, बट मन के अंदर वो चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो मतभेद इज फाइन, बट मन भेद इज नॉट गुड. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मन भेद वो गैप बढ़ता है, एंगर कम्स एंड देन सिचुएशन डिड नॉट गो वेल द वे इट शुड गो. तो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं. पलक ने मुझे बोला कितने बजे टाइम? 9 बजे. ठीक है, 5 मिनट का सेल्फी लेते हैं. ओके ओके. सो आगे ये बोल रहे हैं दैट एंगर वाज अ डिफेंस mechanism in state of ignorance. One would defend himself through the anger. It happens. I have seen this thing and experienced this thing. जो लोग गलत होते हैं वो ट्राई करते हैं अपने गलती को छुपाने के लिए गुस्से का, मतलब वो गुस्सा करते हैं ताकि उनकी गलती छुप जाए. दे बिकम एंग्री. हाँ, मैंने गलत कर दिया है, बट आई नो इफ आई गेट एंग्री मैं उस चीज को डाउन कर दूंगा. नाउ व्हेन आई गेट एंग्री, पीपल विल गेट स्केयर्ड, दे विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट मिस्टेक. सो पीपल यूज एंगर एज अ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म, which is not good. If you did some mistake, come forward, have that dare to accept that mistake. If you can't accept that mistake, don't use anger as a defense mechanism. This comes only with the practice and consciousness again, because every person have different upbringing, different surroundings. Sometimes, though we are connected through the Sattvic community, definitely, okay? But I have seen how people behave even in the Sattvic. Recently, I'll tell you an example. I hope she is not here. I'm hosting a potluck tomorrow, a Sattvic picnic potluck. More than 40 to 50 people are coming in that potluck. Because Delhi AQI is, you all know, Delhi is one of the most polluted city in the world. I'm so blessed to be here. So we have decided that because Sattvic potluck has given us the timing from 8 AM till 12 PM for this potluck. But because I know so much pollution out there, it's also winter, people are coming from so far, so we decided to change the time. So we changed the time to 11 to 3. Now what happened? So many people joined later in the group, and they joined because from the app it's showing 8 to 12. When they joined, they were thinking it's 8 to 12. Though we have cascading the message in the group, pin kar rakha hai, that person did not read that message. He was just watching the scrolling messages what people are sharing. Then we said tomorrow we are meeting at 11. He became angry. How you can change the timing? You are not following the Sattvic rituals. This, that, this. He became angry. So one of the co-hosts, she was doing argument with that person. I was just observing क्या चल रहा है, because I was busy in my class. I did not jump inside. I was just watching. वो उसको blame करी थी, सर आपने message नहीं पढ़ा. He was blaming कि you are not following the Sattvic timings because in their app it's showing 8 to 12. You have changed the time 11 to 3. ये कैसे हो रहा है? We should plan it this way or that way. And वो बोलता रहा, and she was arguing. And then she messaged me, Kamal sir made me the admin. I will remove that person from the group. मैंने कहा don't worry, don't remove that person. We all are same. He's getting angry because उसके हिसाब से चीज नहीं हुई है. But if we will do the same thing, उसको हटा दिया, then what's the difference? मैं कहा stay calm, stay calm. I'll write the message. Actually, he was a Punjabi. I send a message. हाँ जी पाजी की गल हुई, तुसी गुस्सा हो गया. बस टाइमिंग इसलिए चेंज करा because अपने लिए चेंज नहीं करा. We have changed the time for you. You all, because Delhi pollution is, you can see the AQI level is increasing. We don't want you to come in the pollution. So at that time pollution will be little less and we can enjoy the food and fun activities together. तो see आओ ਅਸੀਂ डांस करेंगे नाल नाल, खाना खाएंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे. हाँ जी पाजी, थैंक यू सो मच, विल मीट यू टुमारो श्योर. So things change, but how to handle that situation, that matters. Because sometime in the moment of क्या होता है, the person who is getting angry, he doesn't know what he is speaking. Later realize यार, क्योंकि I was in that mode of anger, I said something which I can't take back. It happens. हम भी अपने पेरेंट्स को कुछ बोल जाते हैं गुस्से में. अब हमें पता है वो चीज हम वापस नहीं मतलब ले नहीं सकते वापस उस चीज को, but we definitely feel regret. As I said that one of my friend who fought with her father, she went to the office. Her father passed away during that time only. When she came back, it was a regret which she can't refill again. She can't say his father away that Papa, I'm sorry, मेरे को गुस्सा नहीं होना चाहिए था. So in the moment of anger, we are not aware what we are saying. This book is must read now. Convince me in 20 minutes. Oh, I'm not here to convince anyone, but yes, glad you like the book, and I'm really very sorry I could not make the PPT and sending story, but yeah, in this way I can share, and I really love. Spontaneously whatever comes in my mind I speaks, and sometimes something is not written in the book and I share with my own experience, and I feel you all can relate this thing, है ना. So जब anger होता है, जब किसी को गुस्सा आता है, तो how we feel. Now I'll take more people. यहाँ से मैं लेते हैं जी, संजना जी, जैनब, शेर सिंह. Okay, all three. Tell me, जिनका मैंने नाम लिया है, one by one. Sanjana ji, first, unmute yourself and tell me, when anger arises, how you feel. इस बार ने आपकी आवाज भी सुन लेंगे बहुत दिनों बाद.
हेलो सर.
हेलो जी.
गुस्सा ज्यादा नहीं आता है, लेकिन जब भी आता है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है और बाद में रियलाइज होता है कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए था.
नहीं, जब गुस्सा आता है, मेरे को पता ज्यादा, यहाँ पे किसी को ज्यादा गुस्सा नहीं आता मुझे लगता है, बट जब भी आता है. अच्छा, प्रमिला जी कह रही मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है, वेरी शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड. अभी आपके पास आता हूँ प्रमिला मैम. ओके, सो संजना मैम, जब आपको गुस्सा आता है, हाउ यू फील उस समय, चाहे वो थोड़े मोमेंट के लिए आए हो. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट मोमेंट व्हेन यू वर शेयरिंग. मुझे याद है वो स्टोरी, याद है गुस्से वाली.
यस.
हाँ,
वो एक्सट्रीम वाला गुस्सा था वो.
हाँ. सो उस समय हाउ द बॉडी एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट एंगर.
हॉटनेस, लिटिल हॉटनेस, बहुत गर्म हो जाती है बॉडी, और पता नहीं,
टेम्परेचर
कुछ अच्छा.
इंक्रीज, कुछ
हाँ.
अच्छा नहीं था, बॉडी टेम्परेचर हीट हो जाता है. यस प्रमिला मैम, शी इज एक्सेप्टिंग दैट शी इज शॉर्ट टेम्पर. आई होप यू आर सेइंग दिस थिंग. सॉरी अगर मैं गलत हूं तो, मे बी यू आर सेइंग हाई और मैंने वो गलत ले लिया. यस प्रमिला मैम. हाँ, ट्रू.
यू आर
ओके.
वेरी ट्रू. एंड अभी 5 AM चैलेंज लेने के बाद मेरा 50% कम हो गया है. स्टिल आई एम एट दैट 50%.
ओके, सो हाउ यू मेजर 50% और 40 और 43%? आई मीन,
पहले मैं बहुत इट यूज्ड टू बी इंस्टेंट, एंड दिन में आई डोंट नो एन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स मैं गुस्सा करती थी.
अच्छा.
अभी आई लेट गो of the things, but some things they irritate me, especially with my near and dear ones. अभी भी गुस्सा ज्यादा ही है. बाहर वालों के साथ थोड़ा कम हो गया, तो शायद मैंने उसको ही 50% ले लिया.
ओके. अभी सब याद रखिएगा जो भी प्रमिला जी ने शेयर किया. आई विल कम टू दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो. थैंक यू सो मच प्रमिला मैम. हाँ, और शेर सिंह सर, मैंने पलक लगता है गलत बुक उठा ली. मैं गुस्से की बुक उठाई है शांत जगह पे. But yeah, something is definitely a book is teaching us. Yes, Sher Singh sir.
Yes, good evening sir.
Namaste sir, good evening.
मुझे जब भी गुस्सा आता है तो जो गुस्से के इमोशंस है ना वो मल्टीप्लाई होते रहते हैं. एंड बस मुझे गुस्सा आता है, बट बहुत जल्दी मैं अपना को कंट्रोल कर लेता हूँ एंड आई जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ इट. बट ये है कि जब आता है तो इमोशंस मल्टीप्लाई होते रहते हैं. उस समय मान लीजिए सपोज में गुस्सा आ रहा है किसी डियर वन का, मान लो सपोज पलक जी का ये फोन आ गया या आपको ये फोन आ गया, तो दैट टाइम एकदम जस्ट लाइक अ शॉक.
ओके, तो रेती जी ने लिखा कि हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाती है. संजना जी ने बोला बॉडी हीट अप हो जाती है, इंस्टेंट गुस्सा आ जाता है कई बार. शेर सिंह जो है, प्रमिला जी कहती हैं कि मुझे इंस्टेंट गुस्सा आता था छोटी छोटी बातों पर, अभी कम हो गया है। तो जब गुस्सा आता है हमारी बॉडी एक डिफरेंट तरीके से रिएक्ट करती है, फील ऑब्जर्व, आपका हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाता है, योर विजन ब्लॉक, मतलब जब देख नहीं पाते हो, समझ रहे हो। एंड दिस आई एक्सपीरियंस रिसेंटली in my own family, and later I felt, matlab, my father was getting angry with someone. I'm being very vulnerable, I'm telling you honestly. So my father was getting angry with someone without any reason, because somebody provoked him, and I don't know उनकी बातों में कि he was getting angry with someone, and I was looking from the far away कि हाँ ये गलत चल रहा है, गलत चल रहा है। When everything settled down, and I said to my papa, I'll not support you for this thing, definitely, because your anger was not right. Your anger was not right because I could see. But when I read this book, I understood this thing, because when the person is getting angry, उसका vision blocked है. He is not able to watch that thing. उसके कानों के अंदर वो और कुछ नहीं सुनाई सकता. He is just looking at that person जिसके साथ वो गुस्सा है, वो नहीं देख पा रहा है, उसका vision blocked हो गया, उसका mind block हो चुका है, and उसका जो मुंह है वो बस चल रहा है. He is saying something. तो these thing happens in your body, and your body is giving you a sign. For example, मुझे भूख लगी कि पेट में चूहे दौड़ेंगे, I get a sign. My throat is feeling thirsty, I'm getting a sign. पानी पी लीजिए सभी लोग थोड़ा सा. Cheers. जनरली होता है ना. वाटर ब्रेक ले लेते, चलो एक सेल्फी ब्रेक. एवरीवन प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. इसी बात पे. यस. शेर सिंह सर, एंड थैंक यू सो मच जो भी आप आज आए हैं यहाँ पे इस बुक रिव्यू के लिए, आप सभी का दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. यस प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा एवरीवन.
Yes, ready, smile everyone.
We can wait for 30 seconds. Yeah, Balram
Okay.
ji,
ओके, बलराम सर भी आ गए. हेलो जी.
Sanjay ji,
Sanjay ji,
गार्गी जी, हेमा जी, इरफान जी, माधुरी जी, नेहा जी. एवरीवन प्लीज. विजय सर, श्वेता जी, सभी लोग कैमरा ऑन करेंगे. Though we are reviewing the book of anger, but please don't show angry faces. Huh? Smile, please.
ready?
smile.
मुस्कुराइए, क्योंकि मुस्कुराना जिंदगी की जरूरत है. मुस्कुराइए क्योंकि मुस्कुराना जिंदगी की जरूरत है, और कुछ इस तरीके से मुस्कुराइए कि लोग आपको देखकर कहें कि वाह जिंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है. चलिए जी आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो nobody makes you angry, you decide to use anger as the response, as I said. ठीक है. अब एक चीज क्या होता है, lingering effect of the anger. Sometime we get angry with our parents. Next day we are not eating food because I'm angry. A husband and wife have a heated argument at night. They are not talking to each other. 1 day, 2 days. Sometimes this lingering effect happens for few more days. And if that person hurt you so badly inside with his anger, it may take it 2 years. You still hold that thing. So many times when we say about the healing part, we have kept so many emotions inside us, and most of the time that emotions comes from the anger that somebody had done that 10 years ago. That person got angry with me. I did not let go that emotion. I kept that emotion inside. And it's like a coal. Who is burning? That person is not burning. You yourself is burning. So why burn yourself with someone else's wrong behavior with you? Your life is your responsibility. Your life is in your hand. You can decide. You can choose anger as your defense mechanism. You can use anger as a response. But if you become conscious, you will never use anger for these things, because you know that anger is just an emotion. It comes for a moment, but if you'll handle that moment very wisely, it will pass. But if you'll keep, मेरी मम्मी बहुत अच्छी बात कहती है कि गुस्सा एक रबड़ बैंड की तरह है. उसको जितना खींचोगे ना वो खिंचता जाता है. कभी आप जो मेरी मम्मी से मिले उनकी मुंह से बात जरूर सुन लोगे आप कि गुस्सा एक रबड़ बैंड की तरह है, इसको जितना खींचोगे खींचता जाता है. तो उसको छोड़ दो, leave it, because there is no end of anger. You are getting angry, other person is getting angry, and in that heated argument you are again creating that space. We are living in a world where stress is very common nowadays, and in that stress if you get angry, वो आग में घी डालने वाली बात हो गई. That anger will increase that stress level. And what we are looking for the peace. This whole world needs the peace. This whole world needs the love. And there should not be any space for the anger. So next author is saying very beautifully that once you become aware about your anger, you will see and recognize the knower who is saying, I know, I should not get angry. Who is I here? गुस्सा इज मोमेंटरी, आई फील. अगर हम उसको खींचते हैं, एक मिनट, मैं यार मैसेज मिस कर गया, मैं दोबारा पढ़ता हूँ, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. समबडी मैसेज, सैंटी जी ने मैसेज किया है दैट गुस्सा इज मोमेंटरी, आई फील. अगर हम उसको खींचते हैं वो नाराजगी होती है. हाँ, डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि यू नो, आई विल टेल यू वन मोर थिंग अबाउट एंगर. व्हेन यू गेटिंग एंग्री विद समवन, or somebody is getting angry with you, and in that anger he will say you few things which is not because of the current moment, they will bring the past moment also. तुमने मुझे 10 साल पहले किया था. They will not fight you for that moment of anger. मुझसे ग्लास टूट गया, they will not fight on that ग्लास टूटा उसके ऊपर. They will bring old things also at that point of time, because this anger is not just because of this moment. They have stored those emotions again and again for that person, and they are waiting कि अभी गुस्सा हो गया, so I'll vent out everything. Especially husband and wife. I don't know, I'm still single. Prolonged anger will sorry, क्या बोला था? Prolonged anger will soon turn into disappointment plus regret, because later you will regret why I put myself into this argument. Need to leave. No sir, I'll get angry. Okay, ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sher Singh ji. Thank you so much for being here. And now the most important thing everyone wants to know, the nation wants to know how to control that anger. So yes, Pramila ma'am, can you please unmute yourself again? And
जी
मैं,
बताइए.
हाँ, तो आप नहीं, मुझे नहीं बताना, आपको बताना है कि गुस्से को किस तरीके से कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. आप क्या समझे? यू हैव कंट्रोल योर एंगर 50%.
या
सो व्हाट यू विल सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ अस, how we all can control our anger?
actually 3 books have helped me.
Okay.
One is The Art of Letting Go.
Okay.
Second is You Can Heal Yourself.
Beautiful.
And third, what I'm reading, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. So वो
Okay.
तो अभी मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. तो एक तो The Art of Letting Go teaches, it taught me कि भाई जाने दो, छोड़ दो, it's okay. सबसे मेन चीज it's okay. And You Can Heal Yourself taught me कि whatever you are, whatever जितना गुस्सा कर रहे हो, जितना स्ट्रेस को अपने अंदर ले रहे हो, it is presenting as some or other disease. It's not only heart disease, it's not only hypertension, but all the small diseases, they all are because of some or other emotions, and especially this anger.
Definitely.
And third, this How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. इसमें एक चीज मैंने पकड़ ली है कि if you have a lemon, make a lemonade. तो अभी मुझे जब भी गुस्सा आ रहा है, कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है, आई एम लाइक अ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लेवल पर्सन, तो लोग काम नहीं करते, काम करना बहुत इजी है, करवाना बड़ा मुश्किल है
जी.
तो बस ये लाइन मैं अपने आप को सुनाती हूँ, इफ यू हैव अ लेमन, मेक अ लेमनेड.
Thank you so much, Pamela ma'am. And I'll again come back to you. You said one more line earlier. You said that I'm very short-tempered, right? Everyone remember? She said, if I'm not wrong, she said. Okay, please don't take it personally. So many people feels that they have very short temper, they become restless, they become angry very quickly. So when we are saying that we are short tempered, we become very angry, then can you please show that anger to a police can you show that same anger to someone at higher authority? Not every
Actually,
time,
I
है ना?
have shown that.
ना आपके चरण, sorry.
Abhi, I am not doing all those things, but I have done. Maybe I was naive. I was not understanding its repercussions.
But most of the time, as per this book is saying, then the person who is saying that I'm very short tempered, but when it comes to show the anger to some police person or someone in the higher authority or to a boss, suppose I'm an employee and I'm always saying this, I'm very short tempered, I'm very short tempered. But when it comes to boss, yes, sir, what I can do for you, that anger we can't show over there. Then if you are saying that I'm a short temper, what you are attracting, what you are accepting, you are accepting yourself that I am angry. Okay, you are attracting only anger in your life. So what we say, we become. What we are saying, we are attracting. So if consciously or unconsciously, hello Nina ji, namaste. Consciously or unconsciously, if you are saying such things that I am short temper, मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है छोटी छोटी बातों पे, then you should check yourself. It's not, I mean, the fault of other people who are doing mistakes. We don't need to go out and make things fix. We need to fix ourselves then. Because if we fix this thing in our side, inside, that I should not get angry, I'm very peaceful, I'm very calm, I'm very cool. Then what I'm attracting, I'm very positive. I'm attracting these qualities into my life. But yes, anger is an emotion, it comes momentarily. But if we are conscious enough, we become more aware, and then we can handle this weakness. This is not the strength, this is the weakness. And if we are saying I'm short tempered, means I'm weak. Very simple. Please don't take it personally, Pramilman. I'm really sorry if मैंने आपको example लिया.
It's okay. Please don't take it that way.
हाँ.
See, I'm learning, and I had that negative thing, and it's okay. You are giving my example. It's okay. I don't mind.
No,
You
actually,
need not apologize again and again. I'm
yeah, it's
okay
fine.
with it.
Yeah, actually, why I took that example, because in this book, this is written the same line which you have said, that I'm very short tempered. So that clicked in my mind ki the same line written over here, and she said the same thing. So let's take it as an example. Later, I'll tell you why we should not say such things. Okay. So make a note with whom you get angry the most of the time in the world. Take your time. Take a pause here. You can close your eyes. Take a pause here. Just think, आप अपनी लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा किस इंसान से गुस्सा होते हो? एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, वो पैटर्न बना हुआ है, बार बार उसी के साथ हो रहे हैं मोस्टली. And whenever you are getting angry with that person, don't allow your mind to become negative toward that person. And again, I'll repeat that line. मतभेद होना चाहिए, मनभेद नहीं होना चाहिए. Maybe the opinions are not matching. It's fine. But during that anger, we are creating a negative image of that person in our mind, in our heart. Because that moment is only momentary. That person is getting angry only for that moment. Suppose आज मैं आपसे गुस्सा करता हूँ, that doesn't mean मैं इंसान ही गलत हो गया. I am human being. I too have emotions. I too feel bad. I too get angry. But that doesn't mean कि मैं इंसान बुरा हो गया. But what mostly people do when the people are getting angry, what we feel, that person is bad. He's getting angry again and again, and that person is bad. And then we create a bad image of that person with whom we are fighting again and again, with whom we are getting angry again and again. And what we are unconsciously doing, we are unconsciously creating a negative image of that person into our mind. और अगर आपने सोचा होगा वो इंसान जिसके साथ आप रेगुलर गुस्सा हो रहे हैं वो बहुत क्लोज ही होगा आपके, बहुत क्लोज ही होगा, if I'm not wrong. So see that you are increasing the gap. What the image you are creating in your mind for that person, that's not good image, है ना? So what we need to do, we need to reverse. Pratikraman. Pratikraman means apology. If you can't say sorry to that person directly, do the pratikraman inside. There's a beautiful prayer called Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. The most powerful words, है ना? So if you can't directly apologize to that person, you can at least send the healing energy to that person. You can confess your mistake. inside. So this is called प्रतिक्रमण. अब इससे क्या होता है, जब हम प्रतिक्रमण करते हैं, when we do confession, we do not bind ourselves in karmas, because when you are getting angry, you are earning the demerit karmas. But अब क्या होता है, अब कोई पूछेगा मेरा बच्चा बिगड़ रहा है, he is watching TV every time. If I'll get angry on my child, do I, bind myself in that demerit karma? No, because you are getting angry to your child for a good cause, because he's not studying, he's wasting his time on social media, and you are getting angry because of his good. So you will not bind in the demerit karma if you are doing anger to your child for a good cause. But yes, if you are getting angry to your wife कि सब्जी में थोड़ा सा नमक ज्यादा है, तो definitely you are binding yourself in demerit karma. Because when a girl comes into your house after getting married, she has left everything. उसके parents, उसके दोस्त, उसका एक space है वो छोड़कर आपके पास आई है. And when you are getting angry on that girl, on that lady, so what she's feeling now, what type of emotions she will generate for you? Definitely today's time, so many divorces happening, arguments are happening, extramarital affairs are happening, because the bond between husband and wife is not getting stronger. Anger is one of the reason. Anger is definitely one of the reason the space is creating. And when there is a space between two persons, especially husband and wife, the third person enters, or the person moves to the third person. And this is just because of the anger, and that anger is an emotion which is very momentary, which is not permanent. Not everyone can be always angry. Not everyone can be always happy, right? These are some emotions which you experience. But what you need to do, you need to consciously observe who is the karta, who is getting angry. At soul level, we all are same, as I said. The divinity is me, is divinity in you. So who is getting angry? The circumstances, the situations are making these emotions, and because of these emotions, we are saying bad words in anger. And when we are saying bad word, what we are earning? We are earning demerit karmas. We are binding ourselves in demerit karmas, and we are holding that burning coal on our hands, and we are burning ourselves. So better to improve your consciousness. Definitely, she said that so many books helped her. But those who do not even know how to read, they are also getting angry. How they can improve? We are so blessed that we can read, we can understand such things when we are getting angry, how to handle that situation. But those who do not even know how to read, they are getting angry. How they can increase their conscious level? By awareness only. When they become aware, even if they are not reading any book, but when they become aware, I can see, as a karta, I can see who is getting angry. I'm getting angry, but I'm a soul. That person is also a soul. What I'm doing, a soul is hurting another soul by some bad words, by some bad reactions. As I said, when we get angry, we do not get angry on that same moment. We are bringing old things also in front of. Suppose a husband and wife are fighting for some sabji ki namak kam ho gaya. But when they start fighting, you will observe पुरानी बात सामने आती है बार बार. कोई पुरानी बात उठा, हाँ संजना मैम, I mean not Sanjana मैम, I mean this is जो भी married है, I can, यार please don't take it that way. Sanjana मैम yes करी तो, so I took her name. But those who are married, they can understand this thing. When a husband and wife start fighting on very small thing, the husband or the wife bring the old things in front that time, on that moment, because they want to show themselves that I am right, you are wrong, and they are saying no, I am right, you are wrong. नमक से कम नहीं हुआ हमेशा. एक सेकंड यार, मैं मिस कर जाता हूँ मैसेजेस. नमक से ही कम नहीं हुआ हमेशा हो जाता है. अच्छा, ओके. सो मतलब आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल नमक का, लेकिन डेफिनेटली देयर कुड बी सो मेनी रीजन. वही ना, मतभेद हो जाता है.
कमल सर, हो जाता है. मतलब वो पर्सन एंग्री, मतलब गुस्से वाला भी नहीं होना, तो छोटी छोटी बातों पे जब चलता है ना, तो वो पीछे वाली बात याद आती है कि तुमने वैसे किया था. ये इट्स कॉमन.
It's not common actually. We are again accepting this thing. This is common. Again, what we are saying, it is common. आज हम बात करते हैं स्ट्रेस के लिए. Stress, it is very common. Stress is very common these days. Who made this very common? Earlier there was no stress. When we were kids, we used to go out, play outdoor games. हम पतंग उड़ाते थे 15 अगस्त से आने से एक महीना पहले, हम क्रिकेट खेलते थे, सब आते थे फ्रेंड्स, नो स्ट्रेस. आई thoroughly enjoyed my childhood. But now I've seen kids, they are scrolling, they are playing cricket, but on the phone. है ना? They have friends in the Facebook list. So this stress, this fighting, this anger, we made it common. आज बहुत common है गुस्सा करना, stress लेना. Then who will change? We need to change. We need to change this pattern. We need to break this pattern. And ये आगे बोलते हैं, when we get angry, people said if we will not get angry, they will not listen us. So आपको अपनी बात रखने के लिए गुस्से की जरूरत नहीं है. If you feel you are right, you can still keep your word very silently, very आराम से. Anger, loudness will not prove that you are right. We are using anger or loudness to prove ourselves right. But if you are right, you don't need to prove. Suppose पलक ने मेरे से पूछा कि सर कोई प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाएगा, सर कैसे करोगे आप? स्टोरी से बात करेंगे, डायरेक्ट फेस टू फेस बात करेंगे, है ना? तो मुझे अपने आप को सही प्रूफ करने के लिए मैं बहाने नहीं, यार मैंने इसलिए नहीं बनाई, मैंने ये नहीं करा. वेरी जेन्युइन. A failed parenthood uses anger and violence. Again, failed parenthood, I would say, how should I put it? Definitely circumstances, surroundings, so many things happen. Because not every parent wants to get angry on their kids. They don't want to spoil their kids. है ना? कोई भी पेरेंट्स, मुझे नहीं लगता कोई चाहता होगा कि उसका बच्चा बिगड़े या ऐसा बने. That wrong parenthood, I would say कि उनके बीच का जो space है, because of that anger, they have created the space, and now they both are putting their anger on their kids. कई बार मैंने देखा, मतलब मैंने तो खुद देखा है कि हस्बैंड वाइफ में लड़ाई हुई और मम्मी ने बच्चे को थप्पड़ मार दिया उस गुस्से में. आई हैव सीन दिस थिंग. ऑनेस्टली रुमित सर, मैंने देखा है ये चीज कि हस्बैंड वाइफ आर फाइटिंग, बच्चा खेल रहा है, उसका कोई दोष नहीं है, मम्मी को गुस्सा आया, हस्बैंड को हाथ नहीं उठा सकती, बच्चे के पास गई और बच्चे को लगा दिया. Who is suffering here? You are holding the coal. बच्चे का क्या दोष था? Because बच्चा क्या है, उनको लगता है कि बच्चा इंफीरियर है, उसके सामने मेरा जोर चल सकता है, उसको मार दूंगी, हस्बैंड को मारूंगी तो बात बिगड़ जाएगी. Right? So how this gap is increasing, we can see, right? Now so far you can see how the gap is increasing between two people. It's not just about the husband and wife. It could be in friends, it could be in siblings, it could be in between anyone. So if the gap is keep increasing, it's very hard to refill that gap. And if you want to break this pattern, bring your awareness, consciousness little more increased with love and compassion, because that is only thing which can refill. इस पूरी दुनिया में से मुझे क्या लगता है कि अगर स्ट्रेस को हटाना है, नफरत को हटाना है, लव इज द ओनली थिंग. देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट. लव इज द ओनली थिंग विच कैन हील यू. एक बहुत अच्छी मेरी मम्मी को और बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें सिखाती है कि तुम प्यार से ना किसी को भी जीत सकते हो, तुम प्यार से किसी से भी काम अपना करवा सकते हो. अगर आप, जैसे प्रमिला मैम सेड कि काम करना आसान है, काम करवाना मुश्किल है. बट इफ you are taking that workout with love, they will love to do it for you. आपके लिए वो जान दे देंगे मैडम, trust me. If love, that essence of love is there na, they will do anything for you. This is my personal experience. I was working in Kendriya Vidyalaya as a yoga teacher. The day when I entered the school, that was my first job as a yoga teacher. The day I entered in the school, I decided that I'll not beat any kid, I'll not put my hand on any kid. I just give them love, because I know what I give, they will give me back. And whatever they will give me back, they will give me in abundance. Doesn't work with everyone. Try, man. Still, I would say try. Because love is the language which everyone can understand. आप कुत्ते को पत्थर मारोगे, he will bark, he may bite you. आप डरोगे लेकिन उसके पास जाओगे, उसको प्यार करोगे, he will see your vibe. And next time he will come running towards you and he wants to play with you. Everyone understand the essence, the language of love, and love is the only thing which can break this pattern. Husband wife में गुस्सा है, ठीक है, again argument है, मतभेद है, put that love, उसको light करो, उस moment को light करो, because that moment of anger, bringing the space. But when you convert that moment little lighter, आज खाने में नमक ज्यादा हो गया, तो क्या हो गया यार, ज्यादा खा लो, थोड़ा सा चीनी डाल लो. I mean, it's all up to us how we are handling the situation. Again, every person is different. Every person perception is different. Every person upbringing is different. We all have some own our stories, right? We all have our own stories. So kahin na kahin, when we are getting angry from the old patterns, we are responding. Sometimes we respond wisely, sometimes we respond angrily. But when we are becoming angry, if we are conscious, we will understand कि ठीक है अभी गुस्से से काम चलाना था, क्योंकि जब राम जी भी लंका जाने वाले थे और समुद्र पे जाके अटक गए, तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं रास्ता मांगता हूँ. वो बैठ गए, रास्ता मांगा, 1 दिन हो गया, 2 दिन हो गया, 3 दिन हो गए, रास्ता नहीं मिला. फिर क्या हुआ जी? विनय न माने जल्दी गए, गए 3 दिन बीत, बोले राम सकोप तब भय बिन होए न प्रीत. तो गुस्सा भी जरूरी था वहां पे, लेकिन the wise person only understand when to anger and where to anger. काम निकलवाना ठीक है, गुस्सा करो, लेकिन वहां प्यार का मलहम लगा दोगे, देन वो चीज कभी भी आपके लिए डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल नहीं होगी. एक स्टूडेंट ने मुझे एक चीज बहुत बोली. ही वाज इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड. ही सेड टू मी, सर हमने पूरे स्कूल में सब टीचर्स के ना उल्टे सीधे नाम रखे हैं, यू आर द ओनली वन हमने जिसका कुछ नाम नहीं रखा, बिकॉज वी ऑल लव यू एंड दैट थिंग यू अर्न. You can't say मुझे प्यार करो, I'm giving you love. That you earn. In any relationship, if you want to come over from this anger, if you want to break this pattern, if you want to decrease the gap, love is the only thing which can lessen this gap. Love is the only thing which can, break this pattern of anger. And when you fill yourself with love, then you'll not say, I'm short tempered. What you will say? I'm always in love. Okay, need to leave. Zainab, thank you so much. And I also about to end. So एक और चीज है, it says that forgiveness is the key to open your heart chakra. I have heard this line somewhere. So when we start understanding this thing कि we are forgiving, हमने 5am movement में भी जो हमारा 5am चैनल था उसमें भी ये चीज थी forgive and forget वाली, if you remember पलक, है ना? तो forgiveness is not easy. Because sometimes some people hurt us so badly that it's very hard for us to, forgive that person. That anger we are still carrying inside us from so long, and we don't want to let that anger go because we are hurt so deeply. But when we start understanding that if we are forgiving that person, it's not that person, it's for ourselves. We are forgiving that person not because we have forget everything कि उसने हमारे साथ जो भी गलत किया, just because our peace of mind. And when we saying this thing, forgiveness, first forgive yourself to become angry, to holding that anger inside you from so long. So if we understand this thing, that this forgiveness can help me to manage this anger, we'll forgive. जैसे उन्होंने बोला ना, चलता है, okay, it's okay, means I forgive, it's okay. ठीक है, अभी मैं कार चला रहा हूं, पीछे से किसी ने मेरी कार ठोक दी, आई हैव 2 choices, उतर के उसको लड़ाई करूं, इट्स ओके यार, चलो आगे चलते हैं, है ना? सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग लाइफ के अंदर छोटी छोटी चीजों के अंदर भी, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फॉरगिविंग, व्हाट यू आर अर्निंग रिस्पेक्ट, यू आर अर्निंग दैट पेशेंस एंड यू आर लेसनिंग दैट गैप. अगर मेरी गाड़ी पे किसी ने टक्कर मारी, मैं उतर के उससे लड़ता और हमारी दोबारा कभी मुलाकात होती, तो वो उसी नजर से मुझे देखता, एंड व्हाट एनर्जी ही विल गिव मी, नेगेटिव. और अगर मैं आगे चला गया, उसको लगा हुआ चलो यार कुछ भी नहीं बोला, bless him. So if you want to earn blessings into your life, start forgiving people. If you want to lessen the gap of that anger, breaking the pattern of that anger, start loving, because love is the only key. That forgiveness is the only key for breaking this pattern, for understanding the life, to increasing the consciousness. Even if you're not reading any book, forgiveness and loving, every book is saying this thing, same. प्यार करो, forgive कर दो, बहुत सारी चीजें, काफी चीजें common रहती है बहुत सारी books के अंदर. लेकिन even if we're teaching this thing to a person who doesn't know how to read, he will also understand the language of love. He will also understand how to forgive. And if that person will understand those 2 things, love and forgiveness, he will able to manage his anger. तो आपको भी अगर लगता है, इस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद मुझे भी चीज लगी बस, कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी जो एंगर है वो एक इंसान के साथ ज्यादा है, वो पैटर्न बन गया है, उस पैटर्न को ब्रेक करने का एक ही तरीका है, स्टार्ट पुटिंग लव एंड स्टार्ट फॉरगिविंग. Forgive yourself first, then forgive that person. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्. सो इस श्लोक के साथ मैं, इस श्लोक के साथ में एक शेर तो बनता है ना जी. तो मिर्जा गालिब का एक बहुत सुंदर सा शेर है, हम सब जानते हैं कि कुछ इस तरह से मैंने अपनी जिंदगी को आसान कर लिया, कुछ इस तरह से मैंने अपनी जिंदगी को आसान कर लिया, किसी से माफी मांग ली और किसी को माफ कर दिया. आप भी मुझे माफ करिएगा अगर आपका बहुत समय लिया हो, और स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, प्यार करते रहिए और फॉरगिव कर दिए. बस लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल, वी मेक इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. यस श्वेता मैम, हाउ आर यू? बड़े दिनों बाद दिखे. ठीक है जी. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस बुक, एंड yes, we all are at a journey at soul level, we all are same. So I bow down to the divinity in you, and अगर मेरी वजह से आपको कभी किसी का दिल दिखाओ, ये एंगर में बोला गया है, I do प्रतिक्रमण. I'm so sorry. चलिए जी, I hope you all love the session, and कुछ ना कुछ शायद सीखने को मिला हो, and I'm extremely grateful to the Bibliofan family and to Palak for giving me the opportunity to come on this stage and share this book. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
और आप में से अगर कोई और कुछ कहना चाहता है, कुछ शेयर करना चाहता है, कुछ अपना एग्जांपल कि गुस्से से हाउ हिज लाइफ बिकम